it is one of your original bank examination question. Listen carefully, sir. Your question is, a vessel contains 2.5 liters of water and 10 liters of milk. That means water and milk ratio is given as 2.5:10. This is the first statement. 20% of the contents of the vessel are removed. 20% of the contents of the vessel is removed. That means what is the meaning of 20% of the mixture is removed? 20% of mixture is removed means 20% of water is removed. Also 20% of milk is removed. 20% of mixture is removed means, suppose for example I will write here, if I say 20% of mixture is removed. Mixture is nothing but both milk and water. That means it means that 20% of milk is removed and also 20% of water is removed. That means what is 20% of 2.5? 10% of 2.5 is 0.25. 20% is 0.5. 0.5 liters of water is removed. So remaining is 2. And what is 20% of 10? 10% of 10 is 1. 20% is 2. 2 liters of milk is removed and remaining is 8. That means, can I say that in simple language, initial ratio of water and milk, it is nothing but 2:8. 2:8 is nothing but 1:4. Right? 2:8 is nothing but 1:4. Now read the next statement. To the remaining contents, this is the remaining contents as of now. To the remaining contents, X liters of water is added. To reverse the ratio of water and milk, X liter of water is added to reverse the ratio of water and milk. Now, because I am adding X liters of water, milk will not change. Anyway, when I add X liters of water, this 1:4 ratio which was there initially, it will reverse and it will become 4:1. Can I say that I am adding water? That means milk is not affected. Milk is still 8 itself. According to the ratio, milk is 1. According to the question, milk is 8. 1 into 8 is 8. 4 into 8 is 32. That means earlier it was only 2 ml of water or 2 liters of water. Now it is 32 liters of water. 2 liters of water became 32 liters of water. That means you added 30 liters of water. X value is nothing but 30. So beautifully you can answer all these questions, sir. X value is nothing but 30. The question is not ending here. Read the next statement. Then Y liter of milk is added again to reverse the ratio of water and milk. That means I am adding Y liter of milk right now. For milk I am adding Y liter. If I add Y liter, the ratio of 4:1 will again reverse as 1:4. Now I am adding milk here. So that means water will not change. Earlier it was 32. Now also it will be 32. Can I say that according to ratio it is 1. According to the question 32. 1 into 32 is 32. 4 also multiply by 32. 4 into 32 is 128. In simple language, can I say that earlier the milk was only 8 liters. Now the milk is 128 liters. 8 liter plus something should give you 128. That plus value is 120. 8 plus 120 is only 128. So Y value is nothing but 120. I know X value as 30. I know Y value as 120. Question is find X plus Y. 30 plus 120 is 150. Very, very beautiful way of solving a problem, sir. Another beautiful question. See this question, sir. Your question is, there is a mixture of 120 liters of milk and water. That means total volume of milk and water is 120. In that, how much is milk, how much is water? As of now, we don't know. Read the next statement. 1/6 part of this mixture is milk. What is 1/6 of 120? 1/6 of 120 is nothing but it is 20. 20 is milk. Remaining 100 is water. Can I say that the ratio of milk and water initially is, it is 1:5. The initial ratio of milk and water is 1:5. Now read the next statement. We took out 30 liters mixture and added p liter milk to this mixture and the ratio was reversed. Now let us read statement by statement. What is that they are saying? We took out 30 liter mixture. That means there is a vessel. Initial ratio of milk and water, it is given as 1:5. Initial volume is given as 120 liters. Out of this, I am taking out 30 liters of mixture. Did I tell you already, sir? Yes, I told you in the starting of today's session itself that if I am taking 30 liters of mixture outside, that means that the 30 liters of mixture is also taken in the ratio of 1:5. That means according to the ratio, I am taking 1 liter of milk outside, I am taking 5 liters of water outside. Totally I am taking 6 liters of mixture outside, but question says he is taking 30 liters of mixture outside. 6 into 5 is 30, 1 into 5 is 5, 5 into 5 is 25. That means I am taking out 5 liters of milk. It became 15 liters of milk. I am taking out 25 liters of water. It became 75 liters of water. If you observe, I told you in the starting of the class that if you take out some mixture in the same ratio, final ratio will also be same 1:5. Check it out. 15:75 is also equal to 1:5. Now, what is the next statement they have given? When we take 30 liters of mixture and add p liters of milk to this mixture. Now, for this I am adding p liters of milk. If I add p liters of milk, the ratio will be reversed. 1:5 ratio will become 5:1 ratio, it seems. That means I am adding p liters of milk. Water will not change. Water still will be 75 itself. According to ratio, it is 1. According to question, 75. 1 into 75 is 75. 5 also multiply by 75. 5 into 75 is 375. Earlier it was 15 liters of milk. Now I have 375 liters of milk. 15 plus which value is 375? 15 plus 360 is 375. So P value is nothing but 360. P value is nothing but 360. I believe that finding out the variables out of these questions is very clear for you. Now continue the question. Then we added q liters of water to this mixture. Then again the ratio was reversed. That means I am adding q liters of water. I am adding q liters of water to this mixture. So ratio is reversed once again. 5:1 became 1:5 once again. Milk is not added. Milk is still 375 itself. According to ratio 1, according to question, 375 into 375. 5 also multiply by 375. 5 into 375 is 1875. That means earlier it was 75 water. Now it is 1875 water. That means added extra water is 1800. That is nothing but Q value. P value is 360. Q value is 1800. The difference of Q and P, 360 and 1800 difference they are asking. Answer is 1440. Classical way of solving a question, sir.